When it comes to walleyes, everyone knows that actions can be very important, but a lot of times those actions are often overlooked when it comes to plastics and especially swim baits. And you can change different swim baits and they're going to have different actions, but what you can do is use the same swim bait and change that action. And what I have is one of my favorite plastics here. It's been the Ripple Shad, but I'll take two out of the package here. At times they can be a little stiffer out of the package than maybe they can be. But that can be also played in your favor. The stiffer the plastic is, the tighter the action is going to be. Generally when the water is warmer, you want a tighter action. But what I can do, especially in the springtime when I want to fish this bait a lot slower, and I also want it to have a lot wider action, is I can change that. You can see here these tails, they'll fold over, but they're a little stiff or they'll stand up. But I'll just take one of these here, and all I'm simply going to do is pull on the tail section and basically loosen up all those salts and fish attractants that are in here and break apart that plastic a little bit. I'll pull on it, then I'll just rub it between my fingers really hard. And what that does is you can immediately see this tail just folds all the way over both ways. And what that's going to do is be able to fish a lot slower than it would be if it's straight out of the package and a little bit stiffer. And it's also going to change the action. It's going to give it a lot wider action, especially at slower speeds. And the rule of thumb is generally when the water's cooler, I'm going to fish slower, wider action baits. And as that water progressively gets warmer, I want faster, tighter action baits. Hope this little tip here helps. It's one of those cool little things that can put a lot more fish in your boat at the end of the day.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.